After months of being left out and spending his days alone with an orangutan plush toy, Punch the little monkey is finally getting his long-awaited happy ending. Punch is a 6-month-old macaque who was abandoned by his mother not long after he was born. He was first raised by humans, then later introduced to a troupe at Ichikawa City Zoo. But adjusting wasn't easy, and the young monkey struggled to connect with the others. To help him cope with the loneliness, a zookeeper gave Punch a stuffed toy. It quickly became his safe place, the one companion he could always rely on. As time passed, Punch slowly gathered the courage to get closer to the troupe. In the beginning, the other monkeys reacted harshly, often scaring him off and sending him running back to the comfort of his plushie. Still, Punch kept trying. Even when he was pushed away or corrected, he continued reaching out, determined to be accepted. Then came a turning point. One day, an adult female monkey approached him and gently groomed him, a powerful sign of trust in macaque society. From that moment on, things started to change. Punch began spending less time clinging to his toy and more time near the group. The zookeepers noticed him becoming more confident, playing and moving around with the others. After facing rejection and isolation early in life, Punch is finally discovering what it feels like to belong. He's no longer the lonely baby holding onto a toy for comfort. Now he has a place within the troupe.